Hello, my name is Luis Estrada, and I'm a software developer. In this video, I'll show you how to check your Gmail account with the Google Toolbar. Gmail is a registered trademark of Google, and I have no affiliation with Google. Once you have the Google Toolbar installed, right in the middle of it, there is the Gmail button. If you click on the button, you are taken to the Gmail login web page. However, if instead you choose the refresh option, you get a new page where you can enter your username and password for your Gmail account. Once you enter this data, then you can check your email by just pressing the button. It is more comfortable to go to your email inbox only when you have new messages. To check if you have a new message, select the refresh option. If you see a new message in your email, then you go to the inbox webpage to read it. I'm Luis Estrada, and I've just shown you how to use your web browser.